Hello guys, can you hear me? If you guys could let me know, you can hear me. Because I can't. My mobile is away from me. But now I really need to figure out something to keep my mobile with me. This is some personal stuffs. I hope you guys could hear me. Uh, yeah, definitely. I do not like to use mobile when I'm trading. I do not like to think about anything. Yes, we are human. We your mind is like going away somewhere. This in this direction, that direction. Uh, Look at this. I'm just anticipating right now at the moment. I'm not taking any trade. Just anticipating right now. Uh, this is my top on charts. I will tell you why I'm saying that. This is my top on charts, and after that we have this high on charts. If I have to like risk at that moment, this is 9:37, and we have to keep in mind today is Monday, just 7 minutes after the New York opening session. Um, I'm anticipating if this is the top, this is the high. Now I'm looking for all of those downward side per second to the VWAP. This is the daily fair value gap as well, and this pink area is the 1 hour time frame fair value gap. This line is a fair value gap low on weekly time frame. This line market has knocked on the previous high, come down toward downside side from here. When it created this high, I was like, you can go for a short. You can go for a short. I did not take this trade. The element of time was not there. I was not actually focused on charts. I would say that I was not really in front of the charts as well at this point. When it was trading at this range, I was like, you cannot deny this could be the top on charts. And you cannot deny the fact that today is Monday. Market may not give us a very big trading day. It may just give us a 500, 400 or $600 move, $1,000 move. It will be great. I would say that a 500 $600 move. That's why you have to be content with the today's Monday market remains choppy. We have no news as well on a chart. US government is still shut down, and still the tariff news is going on. I don't know which actually market would go from here, but I am just anticipating that, yeah, if this could be my top, and this if this is the top, this is after that we have this is the previous high. If market show any intent to go above this high, I'm sure no intent to go above this high. I may look to go for a short. For now, I'm just anticipating that if it has a potential, maybe it is possible that it could just do this as well, create another high, then go down as well. Maybe it has to not to go all of those highs. Maybe it could be bullish as well. Who knows? I have to be careful, and then I will be content with the closest possible target to be out from the market as quickly as possible. If I take any trade, if I take no trade today, it will be fine for me. If the market remains choppy, so far it's 9 minutes. We don't know. Still, look at this. I have for the just I would say that whenever you see just 5 to 15 to 10 minutes initially, just watch out a 5 minute time frame. Go to the 5 minute time frame or maybe 15 minute time frame and watch the each candles. Like this is I would say nothing for now. Just two candles, like these two candles on charts. We hardly see any volatility for now up till now. Maybe at some point market could have a volatility. I don't know. I'm just assuming that it may not have a volatility on the chart. Still, I'm not really confident to take this trade. That's why I'm not taking any this trade. I'm just anticipating right now that if this is my top, I'm anticipating this is my top on charts. After this top, we have this high. Let's see market not to go above this high. My stop loss is above this high, looking for all of those lower levels and this daily fairly gap as well. It may not play it out. I'm not taking any this trade. Look at this. I got stopped out. And my anticipation was wrong. I have to accept this. And my this is my the first anticipation I have done in this week. Look at this. It is going toward upper side on charts. Okay, we have to be content with this. We have not taken any trade. I'm not. I'm definitely. You have to be. This is very important on a trading. You have to ask yourself each and every individual minute or second, if I go for a trade, how confident I would be, and do you think it is obvious trade? If you feel like there's just a small percentage or just 1% doubt, do not go for a trade. Let the trade run. Missing out a trade is fine, But if you have like very small, this is what I'm really cautious about. Like whenever I jump for a trade, it should be obvious, and I should be 110% confident that this is going to play out. And if you are confident, you will feel like, oh, I can trade with the big size. I can trade with the big size. If you're feeling, oh, this is just how I feel like, you go for a trade, likely possibility you'll be stopped out. You'll get stopped out. So I really ask myself this question: how confident I am, or is this a obvious trade on chart? Still, I'm on my own price section. I'm still anticipating this is my top on charts market. If market has the potential to not to go above the high, we have these lows on charts, and we have this daily fair value gap as well, VWAP as well. I wanted to see market from here go down. Yes, we was anticipating this could be the high. It was not the high. And then let's see how market would react to this price action as well on charts. Still leaning bearish or on charts. Let's see. I wanted to see on a bigger picture time frame as well if it has a potential to be bearish. I don't know. Of the 4 hour time frame, it possible, may not be possible as well, because maybe we should have to hold this low of the weekly fair value gap, and maybe it is possible as well because it has to come down to this daily fair value gap. We have this very small amount of 4 hour time fair value gap as well in here. 4 hour time frame, it is not pretty obvious that it could be going down, but it can be going down as well. We cannot deny this on charts. If it has to definitely go down from here, this is the high on charts, and this is the previous 4 hour time frame high as well, the same 111 195.5, which is this one, I guess. So the high is at 191.2, which is, I think so this is the 4 hour time from high as well. One, let me see. 191, this is the same high. Yeah. This is the same for this 4 hour time frame high on charts. And we have seen after market open like at this range on 4 hour time frame candle at open at this range at 8 o'clock. Initially we went toward upper side, went down. I wanted to see a continuation toward downward side from here. This is what it is I'm anticipating right now. I don't know if it could play it out. 4 hour time frame, it is a 50-50. Okay, we go to 1 hour time from now. It is possible from the market to be bearish from here, going down, disrupting all of those lows to this daily fair value gap. Maybe it is possible. In that case scenario, it should not have to go above this high, not to go above this high, previous 1 hour time from high. It should have to be bearish from here, disrupting all of those. It is not obvious. It is 50-50, possible, may not be possible. Look, after just watching this price section on 15-minute time frame, this is the high, this is the high. It should not have to go above this high, these highs. It will be great if market just went very close to this high and failed to go above this high. I will be confident that yeah, it is going down. So far, still anticipating the same thing, not to go above this high. For bearish case scenario, going down, disrupting all of those lows and this daily fair value gap, which is possible, may not be possible as well. We go to 15-minute time frame. We have nothing on a chart in here to really bother about, and um, this is the same high. I'm anticipating market not to go above this high. Uh, yeah, same high, not to go above this high. If it has to be bearish, I'm just talking about a bearish case scenario. So far, I have just discussed with you everything for the downside per section to be going down to to this daily fair value gap. But if I would discuss with you just now, I'm about to discuss with you more of like bullish case scenario as well on the charts. Like then you will say, oh, you are making confusion now. That's why it is very important to be in, if you want to be a trader, you have to be, not to make yourself in a confusion. Yes, there is always possibility and the probability for the bullish and bearish case scenario, but you have to figure out what is the likely possibility that could play out on charts, considering watching and observing the chart. Yes, it will be confusing. I'm pretty sure that it will be confusing. For me, sometimes it is very confusing. I was like, oh bro, I don't know which way market could go from here. In that case scenario, just sit still, don't do nothing on charts. Do we will do we will be doing nothing on charts. Still, I'm anticipating. Oh, okay, we got to 5 minute time frame. We have this high. I'm anticipating not to go above this high. Give me a top at this range. And then we will be looking for all of those lows. Maybe this daily value gap as well. If I go for a short in here, I will be content with these lows and maybe this low to take my first initial profit and aggressive. I'll be aggressive at taking profit and aggressive at shifting stop loss at break even and let the trade run. I don't know if market has to go down all the way to this range. I'm just anticipating it is possible on charts. Now we will discuss about this bullish bullish case scenario just on a bigger picture time frame. If you watch out, yesterday I was watching the charts. I feel like at this point when it create this low, I was like, I was telling myself, like, I was like, bro, you can take this swing trade in here. Swing trade, putting a stop loss below this candle, just buy and looking for all of those highs. Looking for all of those highs, 1018, 1020K. Market could go all the way to this range as well. But I was like, bro, just today's Sunday. We still have this tariff news going on. We still have commodities shut down. Anything could happen. Market is still bearish if we watch out. Market is still bearish right now, like after the reaction on charts. It did not needs to go above any of the previous highs on charts. It could be aggressively bearish from here. Anything could happen. I was like, I don't know if I have to take this trade or no. I just went for a sleep at this range. I was like, you can't take a swing trade. I was like, day trade it is difficult. For a swing trade, you can go for a short, and I was anticipating just and after the new day candle, I was like, just after the new day candle, possible market could just open and then be bullish. And this was the new day of 4 hour time from opening candle. Market just open the go down. They on this week 4 hour time from candle. If you go to shorter term time frame, you have to be entering the market, man. You have to get a trade. I was like watching this. I was like, you miss a very good trade. You miss a very good trade at this point. This was 15-minute time frame fairly gap. And this, if you watch out on forward, this was V gap as well. And also, this was the 4 hour time frame fairly gap as well. Market tab high as well. Tab into this. I was already bullish on charts. I was already anticipating retest toward dollars. Invert this 4 5 15-minute time frame fairly gap. Just tab into this. You're buying at this point. You're buying. You can buy at this point. And yeah, you're anticipating keeping this fairly gap open. You just buy and let this trade run for all of those previous highs and then go toward the upside. Look at this. It is this was this previous day high as well in here. Previous day Friday high market has knocked off, and then Sunday high it's knocked off as well. This was a very good day trade just after the new day opening candle. New day opening candle. I have seen sometimes market do perform on a Sunday Asian session. Asia. This was this Asia session range. I was like, oh, you missed this trade, man. This was a $2,000 trade, like very good trade. You take your first profit in here. You look for this is Sunday high already, and you let the trade run. And this is the same thing you can do and keep just to take your profit, let the trade run, let it maybe New York session market could continue to be bullish. Who knows? But this was a very good trade, I would say that. So for example, if you consider right now market is actually bullish, considering this was a bullish price action from the market, maybe in this new York session market has to be continue to be bullish from here. Still market has not gone any of the previously, yes, these lows has been knocked off, but this is for 1 hour time from fair value gap. This is daily fair value gap. Market has inverted this fair value gap as well. It has shown no intent to come down to this, make a test as well. This is already a sign that market is bullish. It did not even come down to this weekly fair value. It's come back inside this weekly fair value gap low as well. This is already bullish sign on charts. And for example, maybe it has to go all the way to the upside, disrupting this daily high, all of those highs on charts. Considering this is what I was just discussing with you, I'm telling myself, bro, you can go for a swing buy in here, looking for all of those highs, 1018, 20K from here. Market could go there. Okay, still I believe on this price action that it is going to go. Maybe this week it has to go to 118, 120K from here. This is possible. I believe so. This is possible on chart. But because we have these kind of news going on, I have to be very careful. Yes, you can go for a trade. At this point, I would have been at break even. My stop loss would have been there. I would have for a swing trade. I would just enter the trade yesterday. I would have my stop loss would have been at this range. I would have taken my profit at this range, initial profit. That's it. I don't know if news come out. If I got stopped out, I have done my trade. That's it. This was a very good trade for a swing trade, and you can hold this trade for all of those highs. I don't know. We don't know, but this is a good trade. I feel like I missed this swing trade. Oh, it's fine. This is the part of the game. Sometimes happens, sometimes no. But we'll always have a next opportunity right next to us. We are not. I do not want to say so. The considering all of those things I've just discussed with you guys, market is bullish. This is bullish. This is bullish price action. Market don't needs to go to a downside from here. Like don't needs to even come down to this daily fair value gap. Don't needs to. This is already 4 hour time frame fair value gap. Market has tapped into this. On 1 hour time frame, if you watch out, this is 1 hour time frame fair value gap. This is a 1 hour time frame fair value gap as well. Market trade inside this range. It don't needs to go down from here. It don't needs to like give you a low or give you a bottom and then be bullish. It could be continue to be bullish from here like this. The weight is going toward upper side from here. Yeah. So I'm just anticipating right now because this is a bullish price action from the market just after the new day opening. We can anticipate this 4 hour time frame. This new session could be a continuation toward upper side. In that case scenario, we have already disrupted this previous lows and just look at this 1 hour time frame. We look at this. We have 8 minutes left here. We have 80 minutes left for this 30-minute time frame and hourly close as well. If it close like this on hourly time frame, I would be anticipating this is my bottom on chart. I would be anticipating this is my bottom on charts. We'll be looking for continuation toward upper side, knocking all of those highs and this daily high as well on charts because we are already bullish on charts. We don't need to be making ourselves in a confusion that market may not be bullish, market may not be bearish. We don't need to. So this is the thing. We have these highs. These are quite very close to all of those highs. We're already bullish. We don't need to go below any of these lows. We don't need to go down to this daily fairly gap. It has to go to the upper side, and then these high and this daily high could be. We are already bullish. Look at this price action, man. Look at this price action after the new weekly candle. We go to weekly time frame candle. Just open, go down. Today's Monday. We have to be careful. Hold this weekly low, went toward upper side, and knocked this daily high, Sunday high, and after that we have this high on charts, which is Thursday high, and we have after that we have Wednesday high, last week Wednesday high. We have this Tuesday high, and we have all of those. I believe so. The way it has got the bounce from here toward upper side, market could be going all the way this week. If it continue to be like that, there's no point from the market to make a retest, slow down, cool down, then be bullish. There's no point. If it do like this, I'll be careful that it could be going down from here. But I believe so. If it has to disrupt all of those highs, if it has to go to 118, 120K from here, there's no point for the market to make a retest, hold the area, then go up. No, it has to continue to be aggressively bullish from here. It means every daily candle, I will be looking for the market to open, go down a little bit, and tends to be bullish from here. It is possible. It has to. This has to happen. This should have to happen within next 2 or 3 days. I would say that today is bullish. Yes, is fine. Maybe today it could be bullish closing at this range. Tomorrow I will be looking for it to come down, be bullish. All of those highs in this area as well. 118, 125 at this range. We may remain choppy as well at this point. We cannot deny this as well. There's one more thing I really wanted to discuss right now is this is a quite big range we're trading. If we draw from here to here, this is a value all of the range as well. Market has come back inside this value all of the range. If we draw from here, this is a quite big range as well. This is the value area low of the range. Look at this, the way market has hold this area. Don't need to go down from here, and market is going to go all the way to the upper side from here. Where? Look at this the point of control value, maximum volume at this range. This is a big resistance. 118, 120K could be going down this week. This is the price action I have discussed with you so far. A really choppy price action on charts. I would say that look at this 5 minute time frame. It is 9:54 on a house. So these are the all possibilities I have discussed with you guys on for the bullish case scenario. Like, yeah, this could be happen. That could happen. I don't know if you guys could hear me. I did not even check that. Yeah. So yeah, let's see. We don't need to go. This is a 5 minute time fairly gap. Market has already kept this open. I wanted to see market should have to disrupt this high, and I wanted to see this high should be knocked off, and this high should be knocked off as well. And this is the high I'm quite suspicious about. This is a very important high right now we're trading at. I have to be careful. At this point, it could be bearish as well. I will tell you how it could be bearish. Uh, 1 hour time frame. We have 4 minutes left. 4 hour time frame. 30-minute time frame. Yeah, if it closes like this, I'll be bullish on next hour. Let's see, because we are going toward upper side. So far, is holding this range. I'm looking for this side to be knocked off, and we have, this is the high, 111 300 400 approximately, and 111 650 as well. If market show rejection from this range and fail to go above this high, I may look to go for a short. And if I go for a short, I'll be content with the close possible level to take profit. We have 2 minutes left for the 957 and a house. I wanted to draw this 5 minute time failure. If it has to go down from here, it has to invert this 5 minute time failure. There could be opportunity at this one. I feel like there could be a good short opportunity at this range if market fail to go above the previous high, which is this one. Oh, it's gone up. It has gone up. We have to be content with the price action. Then this is a not ideal trading day for now. Look at this 5 minute time frame. I pretty much chop. And look at this rejection, man. Let's see how this candle close. Let me bring my mobile, man. I may have to trade. Just a sec. This is already a rejection candle, by the way. This is already a rejection candle. Uh, this candle, but it does not mean I should have to go for a short. This is not obvious now. This is it's what to close now. 1 hour from what to close as well. Yeah, not pretty much obvious that it could be bearish from here, but I wanted to see if market fail to go above this high, try to be bearish from here, or continue to be bullish, maybe disrupting this high, then create high, then go down, possible. So there's always millions of possibilities always there on charts, but so far we have just done initial anticipation on charts, which was this high. We failed to my first initial anticipation was wrong on charts. I have to accept that. And so far, if you watch out, overall we are bullish on bigger picture time frame. We after just after the opening, market has not gone any 1 minute time frame low, which is this one. Sorry, this is 1 minute time frame low. Market has not gone below the previous 1 minute time frame. This was the previous low as well. It has not just after the opening 936, and then go up, not go below this 1 minute time frame low. Did not went below this 1 minute time frame low. Did not even went below this 1 minute time frame low. So far, we are already bullish. This is already a 1 hour time frame value gap as well. So we have to be content with, for now, as long as we're trading above this low, we have to be content with the bullish price action from here. Going all the way to 111 400, or maybe which is 111 600, or maybe this daily high as well. This is possible as well. Can you do an anticipation right now for the bullish case scenario? Considering I wanted to see bigger picture time frame. Look at this. We have, look at this rejection. This is a 15-minute time frame value gap as well. Yeah, if I go for a short in here, 110,800. I will be looking for just this 5 minute time frame fairly gap to, or maybe 50% of this range to close my position. Look at this high, man. 253.8, 291. Fuck you, really. I want to see this high, man. This is the previous high. 91.8. I have to be careful, man. Sorry. Where is it? Where's my chart? Yeah. I have to be careful. Yeah, if I go for a short in here, I will be not looking for this VWAP to go down from here. No, I don't know. I will not do that. I will be content with the closest possible trade with this 50% of the range. First TP, break even, just this low. If I go for a short, so far, I'm not taking any kind of short run, but this is a 1 minute time frame gap as well. Can I go for a short right now? I'm looking to go for a short. 1 hour time frame. I'm looking to go for a short. But I have to be careful now. I may miss this trade because it may be just a scalp. I can put my stop loss just above this if I'm obvious. Anticipating this is my top. I have to be careful, like because if this is my top, this is the high, man. Just watching and observing. If it has to go down from here, it should have to invert this 1 minute time fairly gap, and we'll be looking for these lows and this 5 minute time fairly gap or 50% of the range. That's it. So far, look at this. If this is a top, this is the high. Oh no. Have to be careful because it is not pretty much obvious, and I'm not really confident until unless it give me a clear indication. Look at this candle. Oh, in the next 1 minute time frame candle, I can go for a short. I wanted to wait for the close. It could be going down all the way. Yeah, I'm selling. My stop loss will be above this candle high, which is an aggressive trade. Ask myself this question. I can afford to lose that. Now, if it has to go down from here, it will never go above this high. Where is my stop loss? And this close is a little bit concerning to me. If it ever closed below this low, it would have been great. That's what I was. I was like, can you go for? Can you wait for this close? Uh, I think maybe a bad trade, man. It will definitely not go above this high if it has to go there down from here. Not shifting or doing anything with my stop loss. Look at this rejection again. Look at these candles, man. If it close below this candle, I'll be just looking for these lows and this area and just look at this. This is good candle. And you can go for a short in here, putting a stop loss above. I may be late, man. I can't risk that. We enter a short in here. Yeah. I cannot go for a short from my real account now. Stop loss is there. We enter in here, and I'm looking for just these areas on charts. It could be coming down all the way to this 15-minute after gap as well. Yeah, 1010 as well. Look at this rejection candle. You can put your stop loss above this high. 10. If I go for a short on here, I will be risking too much. If it could just give me a 197 from here, I can go for a short. I can go for a short at this low, or maybe right now, putting my initial stop loss there. If I put my stop loss in here, I'll be risking quite too much. Now my stop loss should be above this high now. Oh, sorry, no. Uh, should be above this high. I want just these lows and this 5 minute, or maybe this low, this 720 from here. I can go for a short right now. I do believe it is going down from here. It could be going down from here toward low levels, and I will be content with the closest possible level to take profit, which will be just these lows and this fairly gap, and this is the 5 15-minute fairly gap as well, and that's it. And yeah, because the reason is this is not ideal trading day on charts, and today is Monday. I if I go for a short right now, I'll be risking too much. My stop loss will be too high. I did not want that. It is. I'll be risking more of like quite a bit. It has to disturb all of those now. No. So yeah, I'll be aggressive at taking my profit. I'll be aggressive at shifting my stop loss because I don't know about this market. I do not trust this. Not taking this trade with my real account. I'm not taking this trade. And because this is a pretty much choppy price action from now until now, you can go take a quick scalp trade. If this played out, it will be great. I'll be not taking any trade for this session, or maybe for this whole day today. Yeah, because I believe it could remain choppy. 5 minute time frame, 15 minute, 30 minute time frame, 1 hour. It could go at least 110 900. This is not a pretty much obvious or ideal trade, I would say that. But because if it has to go down from it would have already gone down. I have to be careful now. It would have already gone down from here. Like it did not needs to make a retest and go down. This is already telling me market is not really. It is not obvious trade. This one it did not needs to make a retest. Right? It is making retest. That is making me a more confused now. Like if I already went down. Okay, all of those low this area. If this would have been like a pretty much obvious trade. My stop loss is fine, by the way. Just about this 5 minute time frame previous high as well. If I got stopped out now, fuck you really. Oh, how can I? How can I stop out, man? Mm. I should not get stopped out. Should I close my position? Should I let this trade run? This is not obvious trade. I'm not really confident. I do anticipate it should have to go down, but it did not went down because this is not an ideal trading day. Yes, it could be going down, uh, but I'm not sure. Just anticipating, and that's why I just took a demo trade. It is not a real money trade. Uh, yeah, if it has to go down from here, it should not have to go above the previous 1 minute time frame candle high. Should have to go down. Otherwise, it is going. Oh, all of those lows in this area, I'm looking for. Please go down. Shit. Keeping my stop loss there. Stop loss, stop dot match. It feels bad because it's the first day of the week and you take first trade, negative trade. Thank God it is not. Yeah, I was not sure. I was not obvious initially. I was like, at this point as well, I was telling you guys like I'm not pretty much obvious on charts. I'm not confident that it could be bearish from here. That's why if I go for a short, I'll be risking too much. At this point as well, I was telling myself, I'm telling you guys, if I go for a short, I wanted to put my stop loss above this high, but I will be risking too much. I do not want to take this trade, and I'm already not really confident to jump into this trade. And it played out, could play it out, but because we will be just aiming for these lows, this is possible. It could be bearish, who knows? But because it's a very choppy price action, I have to be content with the closest possible level to take profit, which is these lows. That's it. So for example, I was like, if risking from here to all the way here, just taking this profit, not worth it. Um, yeah, I believe so. You can go for a short in here, putting a stop loss just above this high. Let's see this how this kind of close. I want to see inversion of this 1 minute time frame fair value gap. Can I go for a short with my real money? I'll be just looking for this lows this area. Let's see how this kind of close. It will be a quick scalp. I should have to just watch and observe. You can go for a short, just risking this high. Oh, should I have to? Can I go for a short? No, can't go for a short. Can't risk that, man. It's better. Yeah, I do not want to feel like, oh, my sister, this is happened. This is what it is now, because I'm really learning how to do scalps. And yeah, if it played out, played out. And because on days like when market will remain choppy or this like this, you can go for a quick scalps. And this is what we have seen today. I'll be feeling confident. I know this market will remain choppy. Market will do nothing on charts. You will be content with the closest possible level of target to take profit. So look at this. This is very important as well. You have to. Oh my god, this is going. For example, if it went down all the way 50% of this range, this area as well, how would you be? Oh, how would I feel like, oh bro, that's a very good trade. It happens sometime, but at this point I was feeling a little bit nervous, but I was like, I'm keep my stop loss there. I believe so it could be going down. You have to take profit, man, at this point. You have to take profit. I'll be, oh, for example, this is not a very good trade, by the way, but I have to take profit, man. I'm taking most of my profit at this range out because I was just looking for this low. I'm at yeah, I'll be just risking that. And I wanted to put my stop loss at even now. Don't mind with this trade. I'll be exiting the market in here. That's it. This is 2.5 hour trade. A very good trade. A very good trade. But you have to go through like from here, shutting in here, go through all the way initially, trading very close to your stop loss, and you have to keep your nose. on in the game and then go for a short. This is a 15-minute time frame for early gap. Yeah, you have to be content with this. My TP will be just in here. No. Or I can close my position right now. Because this is a 15-minute time frame gap. I do not trust this 15-minute opening. The way it is going down, open, and going down. So, well, it could be going down, knocking all of those lows to this daily low as well. If this happen, I'll be cursing myself. Why I did not take this trade. Or I have to be content with this trade. That's it. Out. This is a good trade. 2.5 R trade. We took most of our profit at this range. Went for a short in here. Stop loss was initial stop loss was there. Just kept this stop loss there. I was like, stopped out, stopped out. Initially, we'll discuss this as well. Let's see. I wanted to see continuation to a downside from here if we can. Looking for all of those lows, and maybe it could go all the way to these lows as well on charts. It did not need to make a retest and going up then go down. If it has to disrupt all of those lows to the VWAP, just watching and observing right now. This is 1 minute time frame fair value gap. Keeping this open, keeping this open. Let's see. Because this is a 15-minute time frame fair value gap, we have to be careful with this as well. This but it could close bear, invert this and then be bearish as well. Yeah, it is possible. If it went down, I'll be. If it went down from here all the way to this low, I'll be. It is a very good trade. I'll be feeling bad because I wanted to go for a shot when this candle closed. Just putting my stop loss above this candle high, looking for all of those lows. This could have been a great trade if this could play out. Overall, if you watch out, going for a shot in here, just risking this high, this is already a 3R trade, man. Like this is already a 3R trade. This is already a very good trade, man. This is a great trade. I was like, oh, can I go for a shot? I should have to watch. Should have to go for a trade. Should have to watch. I did not go for a trade. That is that. Yeah, if I would have taken a trade on a real account at this range, I would have been out from the market right now. But no, because I did not like to be more of like of taking first TP, second TP. No, because it's a small size account. I'll be taking TP. There will be too much taxes. I'll just close your position. That's it. That's how it is. And yeah. Yeah, and already, and also this is not a pretty much or idle trading day. Could go down. Who knows? This could have been a good scalp. You're risking from 110,900 approximately. Okay, for example, 111 to 111,700. More of like $300 move, 350. Yeah, and no trade, man, no trade for now. I'm just anticipating right now market continue to be very firm here, disrupting all of those lows, and maybe because we have seen a rejection from this after knocking those highs, rejection. It should not technically should not have to do that after it has to knock the highs and continue to be bullish. But it has shown rejection. It means it could be bearish, and it does not mean that it could be bearish all the way to these lows and this area. I'm anticipating it is. If it look at this 15-minute time frame, I was like, I'm already not confident on the way this 15-minute time frame candle open, and look at it, the bounce back. Why would you not take profit at this range, man? Why would you not do that? You crazy or what? Why would you not look into close your position? Crazy or what? What do you want to achieve, man? 3 hour trade in a difficult day. Very good trade. Very good trade. That's how it is. Oh my god, yes, that's how it is, man. I don't know. But you're going to have a mustaches, man. Growing my mustaches, man. Leave it. You have not seen my face. Yeah, it's fine. Just go to Instagram. We'll see. Could you guys hear me? You should hear me. Everything should be fine. Yeah, that's how it is natural. When you take a very good trade, when you are like, oh, it's played out, you make some money, or you, it is natural. You feel like, oh, wow, I'm happy, or like this, that. It is natural, like. And when you be at this point, how I was feeling at this point when it was just very getting very close to this. I was like, I'm not really confident. Obvious, stopped out. I don't know, but not really confident. I was thinking about these kind of stuffs like. I was, and then I was thinking, well, if I got stopped out, this is the first day of the week, and then you'll be like, I don't know, and this is already this was not obvious trade. This was not obvious trade considering today is a choppy price section from the charts, and it is highly likely it is going to be remain choppy. Look at this. I would say 5 minutes. Go to 5 minute time frame. Just nine after 9:30. This was 9:10, 9:30, 9:40, 9:30, 9:30. This was. Market has just gone up, just came show rejection and come up. Why it was not continue to be bullish from here? Why did not remain continue to be bullish from here? Okay, for example, it's fine. Now I want to see, okay, it's show rejection. Now I want to see rejection from there. Now all of those lows, this area. Still there could be a trade opportunity. I would say that for a short. Still there could be a trade opportunity for all of those lows. Maybe it has to go to all the way to this daily fair value gap and this VWAP as well. Possible. We're still in the game, man. Let's see if market not to go above this high. Do you think on for 5 minute time frame? You cannot deny this. This is 10:24. We have 5 minutes, 6 minutes left. We have 30 minute time frame. If it closes like this, you cannot deny this could be the top, and we could be knocking all of those lows this area. 1 hour time frame. 35 minutes left. A little bit of confused about like on a 4 hour time frame because I'm not really sure. But the other thing is just on a bigger picture time frame, I wanted to discuss one thing. I will discuss later, but I wanted to discuss one thing which is very important as well to discuss. Uh, yeah, we'll discuss later. For now, I just want to focus on 1 minute time frame. I actually don't want to focus on PNL. This is good. 180, 136, good. A positive at 15, good. It was a positive at 15 as well, 13 as well. It was negative 13, 13. Two trades. Yeah, this was the two trades I was shorting other day, I remember. So from like a positive negative is going on. How can I lose this? How much I contract? Four. So yeah, this was a glitch. 400. I put two contract, and then I was like, my order. I feel like my order did not get failed, and then yeah. I'm just anticipating because we have seen rejection just after the opening, after the knocking the previous highs. Market has went down from this range. We have this low and these lows, and we have this daily fair value gap as well, gap as well. Market could go down there. In that case scenario, this is my top, this is my high. We could still be bearish on charts. and coming back down to this range. If it has to do this, because this was a rejection, after rejection market went down, I wanted to see continuation to a downside from here. All of those lows, at least VWAP 110 400, maybe 110 approximately as well, all the way to this low. Let's see if it has a potential to do that from here. My top is there, my previous high is there on charts, but we have to be content with it, with this price action as well. Overall, this is also possible as well, considering we are bullish. This is 1 hour time frame fair value gap we're trading inside. This is the previous low high, low high. I could just go up, hold the area, and then continue to be bullish as well from here. This is also possible as well. We're still in the game. We have still nothing done pretty much big. So we have to be content with the project. And I may go for a sleep for at 5 o'clock, because I have a night shift, 5 to 7. I may go for 2 hours sleep. But this is a half past three. Yeah, 5 to 7 may go for a sleep for 2 hours, and then look at this. If it have if it has to go down from here, knocking all of those lows, and then continuation to a downside, it shouldn't. I was just thinking about, let's see if it try to disrupt these highs. Not went down, it went above this high. It means that these highs now could be knocked off, and market could be bullish from here, because this is a 4 hour time frame fairly gap. This is the 1 hour time frame fairly gap, previous low, and we have, this is the 1 hour time frame as well, a 30-minute time frame fairly gap as well. We are already bullish. And on 15-minute time frame, look at this. This was the same 15-minute time frame candle. I was like telling you, the way it has opened this fairly gap, this candle, I was like, I'm not really confident that it could be continue to remain bearish. I have to close my position. And look at this. Oh, it last minute it went toward upper side. I want to see, let's see again. Market should have to disrupt this high. This high, I wanted to see continuation toward upper side for this high, and maybe this daily high as well, 111,900. Possible, possible as well, possible as well. My stop loss will be below this low. Could be aggressively continue to be bullish from here. I'm just looking for this high to be knocked off. For example, I am anticipating, this is not a pretty much obvious trade. I cannot risk that. Just anticipating putting my stop loss below this low, and looking for just this to all the way to this daily high, which will be more of like 2 hour trade, because my risk management is too big right now. I cannot risk that. I have to be very careful with my risk management. A couple of days I've been trading, I was trading bad. I did not want that. All of those trades I've taken on with just one trade, I lost too much. Just one trade, I was all of those gains I have done in 2 3 trades. In just one trade, I lost all of them. I was like, no way happening now. If I got stopped out twice or maybe 3 times again, then I'll be like down. I did not want that. Therefore, I'll be strict on my risk management thingy. So now we have seen this aggressive bullish price section. From there, I wanted to see continuation toward upper side from here, disrupting all of those highs, this high as well, which is possible because we are bullish. And yeah, can I look to buy? Look at this, the way it has created this low and then invert this level. A 5 minute time frame is closed. Let's see how this high react. I'll keep it on the side. It is possible it could be aggressively bullish as well from here, or maybe could come back down, hold the area, then be bullish. I don't know. I have to be careful. I cannot enter the trade right now because my risk is not defined yet. Well, this is the thing I got to learn today, by the way. This previous high is knocked off. No, I don't know. Yeah, it has been knocked off. Wait. On this chart, I don't know about this chart. This chart is this is low. Where is this? I don't know. Where is it? Oh, what is this? Is going down now? What happened to this chart? This why this is closed? Oh, something is fishy. Why this is a Coinbase chart, by the way? Why is something not printing, man? 110.6. Why did this stop in here? Something is fishy. This is a Coinbase chart, which all the way sudden, all of the way suddenly stopped. Something is fishy, man. We have all of those hours, and this daily high could be knocked off. 15-minute time frame, you cannot deny this could be the low, definitely for sure. 30-minute time frame as well. We have this 1 hour time frame close. No, we have 37 minutes left here. Cannot deny the fact that this could be the low. And I wanted to see this daily high to be knocked off now. Could come down, make retest, then be bullish. If it come down, make a retest, I'll be careful. That may not be bullish from here. Maybe coming back down, roll down as well. And from there, oh, if it will be great if market continue to be bullish from here, although it would up aside. Just watching and observing. If it has to be continue to be bullish from here, it should have to keep. I would anticipate just this early gap. Just watching and observing, doing nothing. Look at this, it is going down. And we have to be content with this, that on this chart. No, this has now, it has been knocked off. Previously, it was not, not knocked off. So it is possible if it come down inside this range, it could roll down as well. Possible. Maybe it has to keep this high. That's why. Which is possible as well. 30-minute time frame. A 1 hour time frame. Cannot deny this is possible. 1 hour time frame. Look at this, the way it is going down. How would you feel at this point? You buy in here, looking for this aggressive bullish price action from here. This it may not go up toward upper side from here. You have to be careful. This is not an easy session. I would tell you. And we will do recap for this price action as well. We go for a short, we close out position. That's it. And I will do. We definitely will going for a recap and try to understand. How do you feel at this point? Like you buy in here, you look for this aggressive, bullish price action from all the way, risking too much. I was like, I'm not touching the market. I'm just anticipating it could played out, but I'm risking too much. I can't go for a trade in here at this point as well. When I was like, I can go for a short, putting my stop loss just above this high, or it will be a quick scalp. I was known that I'm just looking for this low to win. That's it. And I was like, can I go for a short right now? This one, I was like, I'm risking too much. I can't go for a short in here. When this kind of close, I was like, can go for a short, putting a stop loss just above this candle. This is just, I was like, bro, this is a quick scalp on charts, and I have to be careful. The reason is, today is Monday, and I really have to get a strong grip on doing scalps, and then I have to really have to make sure that today's market remain choppy, could remain choppy, and then I wanted to have like real strong confident to trade risk my real money into for quick scalps on charts, considering that today market could be choppy, enter exit the market, and aggressive at taking profit, aggressive at shifting a stop loss. This did not play it out. I don't think so it is going to play it out. Look at this one hour down. Look at this one hour down frame. How would you feel if it closed bearish at this range? Like it is going down maybe. Why it is continuing to show rejection from that level, from that range where it has to be bullish, going all aggressively all the way to why it is continuing to show. Look at this. These are the complete 15-minute time frame rejection candles. This is not a very good sign that market could be bullish from here. This is what it is. I was just thinking about it this way. If it has the potential to disrupt those highs, then continue to be bullish, or it have to just knock these highs, then be bearish, or it has the potential to not to even go above this high from here, be bearish. I was just watching this for a second, and look at this rejection we have seen so far. It does not matter. We can go for a short. Have to be careful. For now, we don't need this. I think we needed just this 5 minute time frame. Oh, wait. We just need this 5 minute time frame. Let's see. It is possible. I'm just anticipating because we have seen rejection from that level where market should have to be bullish from aggressively, and we have this couple of lows market has left, which is possible to be knocked off, which is these lows and this daily fair gap possible. Let's see if this is my top one chart, and then market could be going down, disrupting all of those lows, and could be going down to this low as well. This previous size has been knocked off in this chart, and the high that I wanted to go to bigger picture time frame to see if where is this high, 2323.8. I'm just anticipating or expecting from the market. We still have all of those lows. Could be the reason for the market to be bearish, and maybe this daily low downside for a second as well, because we have seen continue. We have been continue to watching. We have been watching this rejection from that level where it should not have to show rejection from. If this is the top on charts, this is the fuel gap. I'm anticipating it should have to keep it open. It has already inverted this fuel gap as well. Let's see, it has a potential to continue to be bearish, disrupting all of. We have to keep in mind this is a 5 minute time frame value gap as well, and upward level of this 1 hour time frame value gap as well. It is possible it could hold this area and then make a one more leg toward upper side. More for like this kind of price action we cannot deny, which is also possible. Maybe could hold it because this is a 1 hour time frame value gap. If you watch out so far, market has not gone the below these lows on charts. If you watch out, maybe it could just create another low high, then try to be bullish as well. At this range, we'll see if market continue to be bearish, or then try to be continue to be bullish, or maybe at this point market continue to be maybe market could go down from there all the way toward low levels. This is also possible as well. We cannot deny about the charts. Just watching and observing the charts, not doing anything. Uh, just that's it. Going for a short in here, it is not easy. If you're obvious that it is going down from here, you can, but I'm not really obvious. I'm just anticipating this could play it out. Just anticipating a short in here. For example, if you go for a short in here, I wanted to see this favorable gap market should have to keep it open. This favorable gap market has already tapped into this, and for now, just skipping my stop loss above this low and looking for all of those lows and in here. Not taking this trade, not jumping into any kind of trade in here, just watching and observing if this will be a 3 hour trade if it played out, but I'm not sure if it could play it out. I have to be careful because this is not a pretty much ideal trading session so far. A complete choppy price second. This is 10:44 now. Oh, this is not a good scenario. Yeah, you know what we have done today? Yo, if you don't believe on me, just go a little bit back. Yeah, I would say that if you don't believe on me, what I was just telling you at this point, I'm anticipating this could be the top market could be bearish from here. We have to be content with the price action market has not gone any of the previous lows on charts. It could create a low high, be bullish as well from here. And we are already bullish on bigger picture time frame if we watch out. And we don't need to go below this low. And uh, Yeah, we don't need to go below this low. 1 hour time frame close could be happen, and then we could be going all the way to this daily high as well. So far, I have 1 hour left, so yeah, let's see. Uh, Now I've inverted myself to be bullish. Uh, we have to know that we still have. This is a pretty much obvious high as well. I wanted to I want to highlight this high as well. Pretty much obvious high. Can I buy any here? Just asking myself. It's 10:48. It's macro as well. All of those highs, at least it could go to 6:30 now. Could go to 6:30, and 1190 960 as well. This is pretty much obvious how I could go there. But this is macro as well. I should have to wait because this one was bearish. Market has not shown no intent to go above any of the previous low, which is this is the previous low in charts, and then it is highly likely it will create this fairly gap. I wanted to see market should have to keep this fairly gap open and tends to be bullish from here, knocking all of those highs. But I have to be careful. So far, market is a complete chop on the charts. But this is a last over going on. Could be bullish from here. Cannot deny this. Cannot deny this is possible. Cannot deny this is possible. Cannot deny this is opening is bad. Cannot look at this 5 minute time frame wicked into this. Cannot deny this is possible. Um, it is trading at a lower high this range below this 5 minute time frame. If you watch out in here, it has trading very close to this high. Cannot deny possible. I'm just anticipating this is my bottom for the bullish case scenario. This is this 5 minute time frame low as well. We are already bullish. Looking for this previous high, that previous high, maybe this daily high as well. Possible. If it has to remain choppy, if it has to do because if this is a, you will see at this point. These are already all of those indications that today is not a pretty much ideal trading day at this point. We was bearish. I was anticipating continuation toward downside. It did not went down. Just got the bounce from here. At this point, I was bullish, looking for continuation toward upper side. Did not went up, went down. At this point, I was bearish, looking for continuation toward downside. Did not went down, went up. So now I'm bullish, and so far we have seen all of those anticipation we have done at this range after 9:30. Just 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 this anticipation do played out. Initial anticipation at this range, I was wrong. Just this after this anticipation just played out. After that, I was wrong. After that, I was wrong. After that, I was wrong. Now I'm doing another. So most of the time, I'm wrong on all of those anticipation, which I have done today. Most of them. Just one. This is a very small amount. I was like could play it out. That too played out, but 5 6 anticipation, which was completely wrong. So this is already indication that oh, best market is not really pretty much ideal for a day trade. Yes, it is possible. Could be going all through. I'm anticipating right now. This is my bottom on charts. This is 1 minute time frame fair value gap. Market has inverted this fair value gap. Hold this 5 minute time frame fair value gap. 1 hour time frame fair value gap as well. We're already bullish. I'm anticipating this is a fair value gap. Market should have to keep it open. Tends to be bullish. At least it should have to go to this high, and I'll be anticipating 111,900 as well. If it failed to go above this high, maybe just at this point show rejection coming back down. It will be pretty much obvious that this is actually not at all a idle trading session. So just watching and observing, guys, doing nothing. It's 4 o'clock. I believe so. Yeah, this is the market. That's it. Oh, this was a trade. That's it. Do we need this high? I don't need. I think so. This high now. Just need this high. That's it. I'm not really really confident that it could be going to this high. Possible, but may not be possible. If it failed to go above this high, can go for a look to go for a shot. We have 2 minutes left. Yeah, this is the very important thing. This is the very important thing. I do believe if it failed to go above this high at this range, we can anticipate a major pullback from here all the way to this daily favorable gap, which is possible. Yeah, but we have this 1 hour left for the this hourly close. If it this 4 hour time frame close bearish, next 4 hour time frame market is going to go down to this range, definitely for sure. Have this 1 minute left. Look at this high, 661. Look at this high, 392.6. For so far, it is not for sure. Look at this high, man, 350, man. Oh my god, this is market is held terrible right now. I want to see this high on this chart. 350 exact high, man. This is I'm anticipating if market is not going above this high. Oh, sorry, this high, which is this one, 650, and it show rejection at any of this range, which is this is already more of like telling me this could be a top for bearish case scenario on charts, but we have to, and we can anticipate major pullback all the way toward low levels to this daily fairly gap. From here we have this 36 seconds left for the 1 hour. That's why we have to watch out bigger picture time frame, how it will close to anticipate. Yeah, this is, if this is the top, I have to make sure to watch out the close, this 30-minute time frame close, how it is going to close. And look at this 15-minute time frame, already more of like telling me this could be bearish from here. 5-minute time frame, we have this is a 5-minute time frame fairly gap as well. Let's see, remove all of these price section in here. We need this 1 minute time frame now. We don't need this. I think we don't need this one now. Maybe we don't need this one, by the way. I wanted to draw a 5-minute time frame fairly gap in here, which is this one. And yeah, I wanted to keep this 1-minute time frame fairly gap for, nah, where was this one, 957. I wanted to keep this fairly gap, 1-minute time frame fairly gap, just in case. And I am anticipating if this is my top on charts, which is seems to me this is the top. The weight has shown rejection, and we could become down knocking all of those lows, and a major reaction toward downside we can anticipate from here. The reason is on bigger picture time frame it is possible. 5-minute time frame, 15-minute time frame, 30-minute time frame as well. It is possible. The way, because it is showing rejection from all of those levels where it should not have to. Technically speaking, look at this rejection. If this has been bullish, it would have just have and then be bullish. It's more of like all the way, like it's showing rejection from all of those levels, knocking those highs, not going up. Shows anytime it could roll down, and the way it has closed this 1 hour time frame, and the way this high is represented to us, 392. This is the previous. I'm anticipating this is my top on charts. Can I go for sure? Do you think this 1 hour time frame market could be bearish knocking all of those? The only reason is because this is the last hour of this 4 hour time frame fairly gap. Could be bearish, but it may not go all the way disrupting all of those lows on this 1 hour time frame. Yeah, and this price section toward downward side, or maybe to this daily fairly gap as well, may do played out in the next 4 hour time frame candle, which is also possible. It is which means like it could take its time. I'm anticipating right now this is my top on charts. This is the first presented fairly gap. 15-minute time frame, we have nothing on charts to really highlight. We have to keep in mind we have this is a 15-minute time frame fairly gap. If it from this range, if it has to invert this fairly gap, it has to go down, disrupting all of those lows to this VWAP or daily fairly gap. This will be quite helpful for the inversion of the fairly gap. So my job is to be in front of the charts, no matter what. We are making money, not making money, um, yeah, losing money, and push myself to be in a present and not letting my past to define my future in respect to right now moment, and maybe as a journal as well. Overall, has been my biggest pitfall for I observed on myself. I have always been doing one thing, and I have always been away from that thing For ages and ages, I'm doing that, and for I was doing for ages and ages, and this is what I got to learn about myself. And I realized this is not how it's going to work. If it has to do, if I have to be doing, I have to do something. I have to be in a present, focus on right now moment. Like if I'm eating, I'm really eating. If I'm drinking water, I'm like drinking water. These small things do matter a lot on if you watch a grand scheme of life, do matter a lot. I realize now, focusing on that for now, I have to get better on myself. This is life. That's how you slowly, steadily get better, get used to the things and all that. And this week is very important to me, and definitely this month too. I do not want to waste my time. Yeah, sometimes we do feel like, oh, it is like that, but so look at this. I was just anticipating this is my high, and then market going down, inverting all of those lows, but it's not a pretty much old ideal trade. If this could have been a normal trading day, and where we have more of like news, and there is volatility on charts, I would have been uh, quite confident that it could play it out maybe. And we have, because we have the volatility, we could be going down all the way to all of those lows. This is not a very big move on charts. If you watch out, look at this. The 11,300 to 10,700. It's not a very big move if you watch out on bigger picture time frame, just going all the way. But it will be you will feel like it is a very big move considering the fact that, oh, because market is very choppy right now, that's why. So far we have to be content with the price action. Market has not gone any of those previous lows on charts, which is after the new day opening bell. Market has not gone any of the previous lows below the previous low. It could be bullish from here to those highs. But we are already bullish, so yeah. We have just after the opening, it has not gone any of the low below the previous lows, which is these ones. So yeah, this is the thing. At this point, you have to be bullish. By the way, why you was bearish at this range? By the way, why I was bearish at this? You have to be bullish now. Already going up. You have to be looking for this high and that high now, which is highly likely. As you buy in here, putting a stop loss, buy in here, putting a stop loss below this low, looking for these highs. Take most of your profit at this range. Make a retest, tap into 500 temporary gap. Now your stop loss should be there. Looking for this high. Why I was bearish at this point, by the way. At this point, I was looking for this low in here. And this is also a thing. This could have been already a trade, very good trade. This could have been this one could have been already good trade. Just you just have to be just thinking about. It was already bullish. This is already market has not shown any intent to go below the previous low. Why I was looking for a bearish case scenario in here. This is a quite interesting question. Why I was looking for bearish in here? Why I was bearish in here? Like why did not just think market is bullish, creating low high, low high, low high. This is the previous low. This is a 5 minute time frame fairly gap, inverted 30-minute time frame fairly gap as well. This is your previous stop loss, and then why just buy in here? 100, and when you create this fairly gap, you just buy. Stop loss just there. Looking for this high, 200 to 600 is already a trade, man. No, I was. This is bad. No, I have to open my eyes, man. Why you just keep yourself be bullish, man? Why don't? Why was I did not realize? Why the whole day I was looking for a market to be bearish? This is bad. As it is bullish, we're going toward upside. We have not gone any of the previous below the previous low, which is this the low. I am looking for the market to continue to be bullish from here. to disrupt this 630 and maybe 960 as well from here. And the way these highs are exact roundabout digits, exact 1196, exact 650, these are the market smart money highs. I believe so. These are the market smart money highs. And at this one, look at this. Fuck you, man. Look at the rejection. And these are smart money highs. And market may not go above those highs, which is also possible. And look at this rejection, man. Shit. Okay, just woke up. This is a quite interesting zone. This digits are quite interesting zone to me. These boxes are quite interesting to me. 30-minute time frame. 45 minutes left. This 15-minute time frame is about to close. I have to be watching this 15-minute time frame or 5-minute time frame close. Can I go for a short right now? My risk management is not defined yet. If it will be great if market give me a top at this range, and then my risk management will be defined to go for a short. This is a quite big aggressive to 1 minute time frame candles, but I do not want to be aggressively shorting the market in here. I believe so today. So far, it has been complete choppy session. Could remain maybe it just has to show volatility on these two candles and went complete choppy after that. You're not even go down below these lows. But for bearish case scenario, you cannot deny the fact that these highs could be the top on charts. This high is 599.9. Look at this high, man. And high is 552.3. This the past me could have been shorting aggressively at this range. Could have been shorting aggressively at this range, and market will do sideways. Past me would have been doing this. When I see this kind of low, I was already bearish at this range. Market went up aside from here. Now it has gone down from here. I should have to keep this value gap on. I'll go for aggressive short, looking for all of those lows to be knocked off. Past me would have been aggressively shorting the market. Now it is going down. There's no reason for the market to be bullish from here. Market do not do nothing. Market just remain choppy. Let's see if how it will do. Or still, I'm still on this price second as well. That if it give me at higher this range, and I'll be my risk management is defined, I will be going for a short. Past me would have been shorting this market right now.
वी डोंट स्टैंड इन फकिंग लाइन। ये जितनी बड़ी लाइन है ना, 2 मिनट में पगार लगाई। सो जब भी क्लब में आप एक बंदा रीजन बीइंग के ये बात नहीं है कि आप पगार लगाएंगे, क्लब में आते हुए हाईएस्ट और नॉर्मल सिक्योरिटी सिक्योरिटी लेनी नहीं चाहिए, तो वो लड़े
Sorry guys. I was not doing. I was just using phone. I was doing nothing. Distracted a little bit. We still have. We have to keep in mind that this is the thing. I was just telling you guys. What I was telling you guys. This market is like that. Past me. I was just telling you guys. Past me would have been shorting at this range. Past me would have been shorting at this point. Aggressively shorting. Going for a short. Now market has to go down, knocking all of those lows. This is what I would have been doing past me. But I was just telling you, market what market actually do is remain sideways, do nothing, and this is what we have seen today. It has done nothing on charts really. It has done nothing on charts really. So that's the thing. How it is. I think I should have to finish this live stream, guys. We had a good time. We have this afternoon session as well coming up at 12, half past 12 to 2 o'clock. So what time is it? It is what 5 o'clock. This is 12, 5, 6. Actually wanted to sleep for a couple of hours because I have to go for a night shift job. Uh, I can watch a new day opening candle on my at my job session. This could wait. I feel like the market is very choppy right now at the moment. It is very choppy, pretty much choppy. It has done nothing on just till now. Uh, so far for today's in this morning session, it was not easy session. It was a very difficult session. I was anticipating this. I was telling you guys if it's like that, I will be looking for just a quick scalp on charts. When it could close at this range, when this candle closed, at this point I wanted to go for a short, putting my stop loss above this high. We went for a short at this range. I keep my stop loss above this high. Went above at this range. I was like, got stopped out, stopped out. I don't know, but I was feeling like I was telling you guys it is not a pretty much obvious trade. This is not ideal trading day. May played out, may not played out. It's fine. Then it went down. When it could close this candle, I was like, you can go for a short in here, just risking this candle high. We're looking for all of those lows to this just 50% of this range. This is already a 3 hour trade. If you can see like that, and just 5 minutes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes, you have to be exiting the market. That's it. And it went down from this range. We closed our position at this. I was like, I'm content with this price action. I don't think so. Market could continue to be bearish from here because this is not ideal trading environment on charts. And I did not went for a trade at this range. I wanted to go for a short at this range. I was known that I could be putting my stop loss just above this high, and I was like, I just wanted to give myself more confident to look for scalps in these kind of days. Uh, I just that's why I did not take this trade. I'm pretty much more confident now, and to take a quick scalp trades on these kind of days when market will remain choppy. You can do that. You have to be enter exit the market aggressive at taking profit, aggressive at shifting your stop loss. You can take a big size trade for scalps. You can take a big size trade. It will be just an in and out from the market. That's it. And this is what it is. Market has done overall today. After that, it has been complete choppy per second we have seen so far. It was not I would say easy session for somebody who's new. I remember myself, man. I remember myself. I would be watching this 9:30 New Day or New York's opening, New York morning session opening bell. I would be like, oh, there will be volatile journals. I'll be, for example, for me, past me would have been shorting aggressively in this range. For example, where is it? My past me would have been shorting the market at this range. Would have been not taking the profit. Would have been stopped out. Would have been mad at myself. Would have been buying at this range. I just went toward upper side. And no, for example, yeah, would have been shorting the market at this range, maybe miss this trade. At this point, going for a short aggressively. Now it is going down, but it got stopped out initially. Now it went toward upper side. Oh, now it is going out up toward upper side, buying at this range. It and looking for all of those big highs. Now it is going toward upper side, big highs. Going just went above this high. Did not take profit at this range. Just get a low high again. I was like, I would have been scared as well. Oh, I buy in here, for example, and it's come down to this my break even in a loss. Oh, I'm scared now. I did not take profit. Went toward. I closed my position. Went toward upper side. At this point, I was like, I would have been buying. Oh, it went toward upper side. Now it is going toward upper side, but it went down. Would have been stopped out. Past me would have been doing. Past me used to do these kind of trades, and I learned from them. I learned from them, man. I learned from them. At this point as well, past me would have been aggressively shorting the market. I was just telling you guys, aggressively shorting the market for all of those hours because it was bullish at this range. Market failed to be bullish, and then now it is going down. But what market actually do is went side. I would have been cursing myself. I would have been like, past me would have been mad at myself right now. And sitting still is just the biggest reward you'll get on trading. And yeah, so far, this is what I was thinking about. Big dreams ahead, still a lot to achieve, still a lot hard to go. Um, I wanted to have a quick nap for now. Maybe I woke up at 7 and then I have to go for my job, and then we'll see how this market will perform on certain price sections on certain levels. We'll see how it goes. We'll see how market will perform on certain levels. It's very important to keep yourself keep on reminding yourself that yeah, what is it you actually have to achieve, or what is it you want to achieve in overall in trading. My goal is like to make myself enough capable enough to put my living into trading. That's it, and just up to it, and all the time. But this is the thing I that is the most important thing I should have to be keeping in my mind all the time. And this is what it is I'm looking for right now, or looking forward in life. And the couple of things I really wanted to focus for now is I have to buy a car. I wanted to buy a car maybe at this month. It's already 6/20. Yeah, I passed my driving test. August. September is done. October is more of like done. I'm looking for a car. I've been watching this car for. I did not find any interesting car for now. Looking for a good car. I don't want to buy like a bad car. Maybe I buy on finance, but I want to buy a good car, which I'll be using for next 5 6 years. That's why I have to be careful buying any car, because you can. It is not the thing that you could change for after a year. No, so you have to be one. This is model 2009, too old. A model. It's just selling for uh 75K. Angelo. What is this? This isn't this if its engine is good, so this is not a bad may not be a bad car. If its back is good. So these are the things I'm looking for in a life as a general, I would say. So these are the things I really do every single day. What is it I have to look for in each every single day? 12 to 15 hours I want to spend in a day. Was pretty much focus on charts initial start of the day, 7 8 o'clock, and then I actually start watching the charts at 12. It's just a 5 hours I've done the trades, and then I wanted to do rest of the time in at my job. Technically speaking, I should have to be in front of the charts for afternoon session as well, but I just wanted to take a nap as well. For this is also fine. live streaming we're doing right now, I'll upload shorts. Think about, yeah, next short or reel. Looking to upload 3 reels and in this week. I have defined what kind of reels I wanted to make, and then I have to take a couple of shots and videos as well. Maybe tomorrow in the gym I have to go there. We are going to the gym. I have to do research on DeFi. Yeah, I spent a couple of times in there as well. Social media, how to promote social media and this thing, and how to do the trade after trading, and after this editing or short reels. The most important thing I have to do like is to research for about my car, maybe look to for a finance car, maybe all of those scenarios as well on anything thingy. We will see how it will goes in the. Somebody is selling this car for this back is too big. What is engine? Five check pass. It's a trader, no? A BF motor. It's 2 liter engine, man. It's too big. Overall, it seems to me fine. Not too bad. It looks not too bad. Back is its engine is too big. This one is I series. One series here. This is a 2000, but not a bad car. Hmm. This is also, if I could be able to find somebody who is into cars, I can buy a little bit of cheap car, which may not be good. Engine should be fine, and we can repair and use. This could be also fine. Mazda 303, a 2003 model, too old. I've seen a couple of cars, but so far I did not find any like a to the point car or something like that. A Ford Fies private seller 1979 K12. 12 model is too old. So we'll see how it goes. It's just my own thingy I'm doing right now. Just because trading is boring, that now that's why. Trading is boring now, that's why. We don't need these levels by the way for now. I could just keep this initial first presented fairly gap, which is this one. A 5 minute time frame. Look at this after 9:30 market is choppy. Mhm. My yeah, I can pay 5,000 for a good car. So overall, and and I can buy a car on finance if I could deposit initial 1,000 for that car, and then rest of them I can pay them with the installments on a finance, and then I can have agreement with them for a car insurance for 1 year. Car should be fine. If anything happen, I can return to them. And the second thing I want to do is like if I pay them early, all of those due on a car, I should be interest free pay. So this is the kind of deal I'm looking for right now. Up till now, I have not found any deal. So these are the cars I'm not looking for. Yes, they are cheap. They look cheap, but if I can be able to buy a Honda and BMW, it will be good. Leeds 2 Series Active 71K 2015. It's a private seller leads. 2 series 15 model. Hmm. So you have to do research, man. You have to do the digging. I think so. Yeah. The more you do the digging, the more you will find. Look at this. It is going to hold up aside. So look at this, man. Past me would have been shorting aggressively, and then the way the market is trading right now. Injuries to liter. How to contact with some real person. This is a no, no, no. The back is too big. If you watch these kind of things, you'll never get a car. Back is too big, front is too high. Like, this is not good. Yeah, everything and it will be not perfect now. Everything will be not very perfect. So it will be great if I can be able to get a car who is on the car is on a road. Vauxhall Astra GTC. Nice. Audi or BMW? Oh, it is going to the side. Oh my god. So look at this, it has shown no intent to go any of the previous lows. Just going up and up and up. And if it continue to be like that, we are going all the way to those highs, 1018, 1020k from here. If you have taken a swing trade in here, buy in here, put your stop loss there. When it correct, now your stop loss should be there. You should have to be like taking profit, taking profit, taking profit. This is a very good swing trade. Where's how you do the long? So I was looking to buy this range. My stop loss was at this range initially. My stop loss would have been there. I'm looking for all of those highs. You can look for 1019, 1020k as well from here. 11-hour trade. Why would you not take that? Why did not you enter the market at this range yesterday, bro? Why did not you risk that? It would have been a great swing trade. So for example, you at least you are in profit now initially. Okay.